Hello everyone, and in this video, I am going to unbox this 1:64 scale Porsche 911 GT3 RS 997 from the collaboration between Minichamps and Tarmac Works. This model is made by Minichamps, so it has a Minichamps style of packaging to it. You can see from here that this is 90% a Minichamps model. I think Tarmac Works had only a little work to do on the development of the car and they focused more on the distribution. There's a Minichamps and a Tarmac Works logo on the background card. There's also a Minichamps sticker on top of the acrylic case. This model is actually limited to 1500 pieces, but it is not written on the paper box nor on the base. There's only the name of the car printed on the base. The front is really well detailed. There's the decal for the Porsche logo and the different air intakes and vents look really nice. There's a black stripe under the door which has the GT3 RS logo on it. The wheels are also really well detailed and you can see the brake disc and caliper from here. Moving on to the back, the GT3 RS logo looks a bit out of proportion and out of place as it should be a bit smaller and a little lower. But the tail lights and the exhaust tips look really nice. That's how the rear wing looks like, and there are air intakes under it. And this is the right side of the car. Moving on to the interior now, the dashboard is not really well detailed but still looks good. The instrument cluster is not detailed and there's no logo on the steering wheel as well. That's how the seats look like. There's an orange roll cage at the back which is really well detailed and looks really good. The chronometer on the dashboard is also really well detailed. This is how the roll cage looks like from the back. From this side, you can see there are a few buttons on the dashboard, but it is very difficult to see them. The wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield, but they still look good. There are chrome inserts in the rear view mirror and they reflect really well. The base has a Minichamps logo on it. The chassis is really well detailed and it looks really nice, and you can see that there are rivets holding the base in place rather than screws. The engine and the exhaust system also look really nice. The tires are racing slicks, so they don't have any tread pattern on them. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.